Hello, this review is for the Quintana Sales Incorporated QCopter. I bought on Amazon about a month ago, and since then I've had a lot of time to really run it through the paces and see how it flies, which I can show you here. I plan to show you some various footage that we shot during the day, during the evening, and also some footage from the QCopter. As you can see, it has a camera mounted on the bottom. Bottom line, this QCopter is a lot of fun, and I would recommend it to anyone that's interested in trying to get into QCopters and drones and whatnot. For its price, it's a great way to get started, and this one in particular is just a lot of fun. And really importantly, it's really durable. I don't know how close up we can get with this to see, but it's really scratched up and dinged up, but it still flies great, and the scratches and dings are basically my fault from not being a very good pilot, but the more I do it, the better I got, and it is actually pretty easy to fly, and it is really tough. I've ran it into trees, I've hit the ground pretty hard, I've really beat this thing up, and it just keeps coming back. The remote looks like this, very basic remote, one stick for basically power and rotation, and the other stick for steering. It does some other things like control the video, control the photo. You can do flips with it in the air, and it also has a headless feature, which honestly I never used, so I don't know too much about it. But like I say, bottom line, I would recommend this to anyone. So let's take a look at some of the footage and see what it looks like in flight. So there you have it. It's really easy to fly right out of the box. Like pretty much as soon as you receive it, you can open it, put it together. Probably takes 10 minutes to put together because you want to put on these prop guards, which come separately, and the landing gear and the camera all come separately. But it doesn't take long to put it together, just a few screws. It comes with the screwdriver you need, and you'll have it up in the air in no time. And then you hook it up on the charger. I think a lot depends on what you hook the USB into as to its speed, but a charge can take about an hour and it lasts about 15 minutes. So you get plenty of flight time. So again, I highly recommend this drone.